Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and like. I'm going to show you step by step on how to use graphite pencil. So I already start drawing the eyes and the nose, then I proceeded to the mouth. So I start doing it gently, then I went to the ear, then I start cleaning the grid line using my brush to clean the grid line. Then I sharpen my pencil, then I begin to shade the forehead. So I shade the forehead gently, So then I use my brush to blend it, Then use my eraser to remove the white areas. Then you do it gently, then you proceed to shading the eye. Same thing, I decide to shade first before blending. Then I blend the nose area. See, it's coming out already. So then I move to the mouth area, then the cheek. So I proceed to blend, Sometimes I use brush, or sometimes I use cotton bud, depending on what you use. So in this video I'm using brush, So then I keep shading. I'm including the darker area now. I'm using my razor to remove the white area. Then I keep shading. Please like and subscribe to my videos, you find it helpful. Okay. So I'm removing the white area. Then I proceed to the nose. Remove the highlight on the nose. Then I move to the chin area. So continue like that. Keep shading. Focus on shading. Easy to. Sorry, mind my voice. So I continue to shade, Continue to shade. I'm using my 4B pencil to remove the darker areas again. Then I decide to shade very well. Here already, just shading under the chin. It's already resembling like a man's beard, but don't worry. When you blend it, it's going to show the difference. So I proceed to the ear, then shading the ear, bringing the darker layer out. Don't mind me that my table is rough. That's the way I work, Different people with different work habits. So I'm at the neck area, then I keep shading the neck area and the chest area. Look how the chest is going on. Have to be careful when shading, or else you would have, look at it. Look at how it's coming out to be. Then I proceed to drawing the hair. I'm not very good at drawing braid, but I just had to freestyle here, So I used charcoal pencil to draw the braid. So I used charcoal pencil to draw the braid. So this is the second layer. I'm doing the second layer of the braid. Now the third layer, I was just like drawing anyhow. I was just drawing the braid anyhow. I made a lot of mistake here, but sometimes in art, mistake is style. So I think the kind of hair here is a little bit different from normal braid. I think this hair name is called twisting or so. But I made the mistake, but I just like started freestyling. Then I moved to the other parts here. I moved to the other part of the hair, then I keep shading. Then this is the second day. I'm going to work. Then I decided to shade I decided to start drawing the clothes area. So I don't think I'm done with the hair at this time here. Maybe I'm done with the hair, I don't know. Okay, I'm done with the hair at this time here. Then this is the day I decided to start shading the clothes area. I started shading the clothes area. Don't let me bore you up with all this, Just please like, subscribe, and watch the video to the end to look how I achieved this beautiful drawing. Thank you guys. You can comment on what I should draw next, so that I will know what to do. I'm just starting this YouTube channel and I don't really know what I should be drawing, so just choose what to draw for me, so that I can continue. Let me bore you with all my voiceover. Thank you. I'll be going now. Thank you. Don't let me bore you with all my voiceover. Thank you so much for watching the video to this place. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Look at the clothes coming out already. So it's obvious that this is an awesome drawing, you.